in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to take bar shot or a series of the pictures on this device. So first we should go into the camera application, and now here, just to take a series of the pictures, you should slide down this white button, and by this way you can see that we just make the 100 photos. You can make maximum the 100 photos here, and now you can see here this 100 photos, and you can see each of these photos here by this way. So, and we can also delete. You can select the one from this, or just all of these photos, or just this photo that you like, and you can save them, or you can select all of them, or just click here to delete some from these photos. For example, these two ones, if you can move to trash, and you can stay with another photos here. So that's it. That's how to take a series of the pictures on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.